The 1998 Kenmore unit's back together again. There's the controls. The compressor, it's reciprocating that Bristol that you saw. It's back together again, fully. The filters underneath here. It's in there. There it is. And yeah, we'll just go for startup. Here goes nothing. And it's that fan blow hard. Fan, here you go. Here's cool. Always shop down. Definitely get some cold air out. That's really cold. There's the door right there. It's pretty cool. I like that. Most of those are broken off. This one's in good shape though. Brushes on that. It's the Bristol, as you can tell. That is really, really cold air instantly. Oh man, that's nice. It's only on low fan. Let's turn on the high fan. That's off. That's quite a lot of cool air. It's a 24 or 22,000 BTU unit. Cooling onion. Kenmore. It's a beautiful van, huh? It's very early. That's cracked right there. It's sad. It's cracked, but and that's not cracked anywhere else. It's old, but still works. Definitely 90s decor. 90s things. It's awesome. It's really cold there. I'm getting frozen just standing here. It works. There's a compressor video about. That's cool. Yeah. Definitely it's cold once. Turn off now. Anyway. Hear the sound of the refrigerant boiling. Yep, so I do a video for you guys of it. Kind of a cool unit. Still got the door on it. This one's been well taken care of. It's very cold up there. I might be getting another unit soon. It's a little bit newer than this. Is a 1999 model. This is a 98 model. I thought it was an 81 originally. It's a 98. That's wrong. But yeah. It's really cool. You got this lemon green. I might take that out though. Restricts airflow. But anyway, just thought I'd share it with you. My 1998 Kenmore window air conditioner. Anyway, just comment and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.